I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Google Maps on your iPhone. Make sure the app is updated and location services enabled. Enter your destination and tap directions, then select your starting point if needed. Tap the car icon to choose driving mode so route options appear. Once the basic route is visible, look for the three-dot menu or the Route Options button. That's where you access avoidances. This first step gets you immediately to the controls you'll change next. Now, open Options or tap the three-dot menu on the route card and find avoidances. Toggle Avoid Highways to force Google Maps to recalculate a route without highways. You can also toggle Avoid Tolls or ferries if needed. Once toggled, Maps will show alternate routes. Tap each to preview travel time and distance. Choose the one that balances time versus local roads. If you want a specific path, drag the route or add waypoints by long pressing along the map. With the chosen highway-free route visible, tap Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation and confirm the displayed route avoids highways. Once underway, you can reopen Options to tweak avoidances or add waypoints if Maps suggests highway segments. If Google Maps still routes you onto a highway, force close the app, restart your iPhone, and ensure offline maps aren't overriding settings, then reapply Avoid Highways and reselect the route. That usually resolves unexpected highway detours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.